Have you ever wondered just how different the world's oceans can be, despite all being part of the same vast body of water? The world's oceans are an immense and diverse entity, a vast expanse of water that covers more than 70% of our planet's surface. Each ocean, from the icy Arctic to the warm waters of the Indian Ocean, holds its unique characteristics, shaped by geographical features and climates. Delving into the depths, we find an array of marine ecosystems, each teeming with life and bursting with color. Coral reefs, kelp forests, and open ocean, each a separate world within the world, home to a variety of marine species, from the smallest plankton to the largest whale. And yet, every ocean is part of a greater whole, interconnected, their currents weaving a global tapestry of marine life and geological wonders. So it's clear that the oceans, though interconnected, are far from being the same. Let's dive deeper into these differences and explore what makes each ocean unique. Picture the world's oceans, each with its own distinct personality, brimming with life and mysteries. They're like siblings, united, yet so different. Their differences lie in the details, the marine life they harbor, their temperatures, salinity, and depth. Let's start with the Pacific, the largest and deepest of them all. Its colossal expanse cradles the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth. The Pacific is a world teeming with life. From microscopic plankton to the mighty blue whale, it's a veritable theater of biodiversity. Now, let's drift to the Atlantic, the world's saltiest ocean. It plays a significant role in regulating the world's weather. Its warm waters carry heat from the tropics to the poles, influencing climate patterns across the globe. The Atlantic is also home to the world's second-largest barrier reef, a paradise of coral and marine life. The Indian Ocean, the warmest of the oceans, boasts a vibrant mix of marine life. Its tropical waters are teeming with everything from playful dolphins to the majestic whale shark. Its warm, nutrient-rich waters make it a haven for biodiversity. The Southern Ocean, the youngest and smallest, encircles Antarctica. It's a chilly world, dominated by icebergs and home to some of the hardiest creatures on the planet. Think penguins, seals, and whales, all adapted to thrive in its icy waters. Finally, the Arctic Ocean, the shallowest and coldest, is a frozen world of ice and snow. Beneath its icy surface, though, it's teeming with life, from the microscopic algae that bloom in the summer sunlight to the iconic polar bear, the Arctic's top predator. Each ocean, with its unique blend of life, temperature, depth, and salinity, paints a different picture of our planet. They're all part of the same blue planet, yet each stands out in its own unique way. As we can see, each ocean has its own personality and unique charm. But as diverse and vast as these oceans are, they all share one common threat: us. Our actions have a profound impact on the world's oceans. Pollution, in its many forms, seeps into the waters, choking marine life and disrupting delicate ecosystems. Climate change, driven by our insatiable appetite for fossil fuels, is causing sea levels to rise and temperatures to spike, leading to coral bleaching and the loss of vital habitats. Overfishing is another major issue, depleting fish stocks to dangerous levels and threatening the balance of marine ecosystems. The destruction of habitats, whether through coastal development, deep-sea mining, or simply the careless discard of waste, leaves a lasting scar on the ocean's face. Yet, despite these challenges, the oceans remain a beacon of resilience. Their health is vital to our survival, and we must do all we can to protect them. The fate of our oceans, and by extension our planet, is in our hands. The question now is, what can we do about it? And there are, in fact, many things that we can do to make a difference. One of the simplest yet most impactful steps we can take is to reduce our plastic consumption. By choosing reusable over single-use items, we can significantly decrease the amount of plastic waste that ends up in our oceans each year. We can also make a difference by supporting sustainable fisheries. When we choose to buy seafood from these sources, we're voting with our wallets and encouraging more sustainable practices within the industry. Advocacy is another powerful tool at our disposal. By raising our voices in support of marine protected areas, we can help safeguard critical habitats and species from destructive human activities. So let's take these steps together. Let's make conscious choices and use our voices to protect our precious oceans. Remember, every effort counts when it comes to preserving the beauty and diversity of our world's oceans.